Hey, what's up? Neil here. Finally, the day is so clear. I'll be testing my, how do you call this? The DIY helical or helix antenna that I built a few days ago. Yeah, right here. Okay. And I brought with me my 7-inch quad. And I'll be taking a video of myself while flying the drone, and then I'm gonna be making some comments during the flight, because I remember spots where I lost video signal during the flight when I was using the omnidirectional antenna. Helix, yeah, this antenna is directional. As we all know, it's directional. So I'm hoping I built it right. Okay, and hopefully we'll be able to fly farther. The last flight that I did was like 1.8 kilometers or 2 kilometers, maybe, I couldn't remember, or 2.3 kilometers. So we'll try to go past beyond that point. And I believe if we reach the water tower right there, there's a water tower there. I believe it will be like around like 2.5 kilometers or maybe 3 miles. We'll find out. All right, guys, let's get started. Oh my God, guys, it's so cold. It's 23 degrees, and I think the wind is like 10 miles per hour. So cold. Anyways, let me switch the camera. I want to tell you where. Okay. So, let's see. Yeah, the camera is bad. All right. So let me zoom in. Yeah, the camera is bad. So, come on, dude, so hard. My hands are freezing. Jeez. Oh, okay, it's covered. It's being covered by the 2 trees. We're going to that. Oh shit. Oh, where the hell is it? Oh my God, this DJI. We're going to that. How come it's going to the right? I'm not even touching it. Jeez. Sorry about my friend, because it's so cold. Yeah, there you go. That's where we are going, that water tower. It's really far. It's more than, yeah, it's really far. Anyways, guys, let's, can I be seen here? No, I can't be seen here. So what about here? Yeah, there you go. So this is good. Yeah, alright. This should be good enough. Right, guys, I'm gonna start the recording. Okay, from the GoPro 9. I'm using iFlight LHCP 5.8 GHz. This is ELRS 2.4 at 50 Hz. Fox here, LNA. And then neutral density 64, I believe. All right, you know what, let's get started. It's really cold. It's really okay. Satellite count is 16. We should be good. Okay, I am really not oh my God, I heard the antenna. I'm not really fine with wearing gloves. Okay, recording is started, I remember. Okay, quad. Let's see if I'm facing the right spot. I am not. There you go. Oh, battery voltage is 24.7 on the car. I crashed in just like 10 feet away. Damn it. Man, because it's so cold and my hands are freezing. Okay, it's still recording. It's still recording. We're gonna try again, guys. We're gonna try. That is really embarrassing, guys. That's really embarrassing. Yeah, shit. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, it's so cold. It's so cold. Shit. Oh man, plus it's so windy. Oh my god. Shit. Where's my controller? Can't see. Shit. Oh my god. I hate this. Okay. Where's the stick? Oh shit. I'm not used to these gloves. Okay, it's flying better. Okay. Alright. The wind makes the quad tilt to the right. And I think I'm so low. Yeah, let's bring it higher. And I need to what the fuck OS upload firmware on this one, because I don't know, and the wind is blowing towards me, which is gonna be tough for, man, so hard. It's so hard to fly because the drone is tilted to the right. Oh crap. And I can't even tell what amps I am at, which is so hard, you know? It's dangerous. The megabits per second is still at 50.8. Oh man, it's so hard because the drone is tilted to the right. What if I tilt it to the left to make it leveled? Okay, that's better. Okay, we're at 1.2 kilometers. The signal is still at 50.8. I'm gonna bring the quad higher. Okay. And this is where I start seeing video degradation, and I'm still at 50.8, which is nice. Okay. The ELRS is still at 99. Okay, the battery is 22.3. Oh my god, did it stop? No, it did not. The megabits is back to 50.8. It went down to 49. And then 50 still 0.8. I'm at 2 kilometers away. I am really scared, guys. I am really scared. The signal ELRS is 99. It went down to 92. Yeah, the problem with this is that I think I should bring it higher. It's at 50 hertz, remember? And then I'm close to the water tower. I'm at 2 point. The channel 3 is down. The video is 50. Is 33. I think I should bring it back to 40. I'm at 2.5. I'm really high. Channel 3 is going down. Okay, 36 megabits per second. I think I'm happy with this. I'm going back now. I'm really happy, guys. ELRS is still 99.9. I mean 99. Now it's down to 80. Now it's down to 70. 25. The signal is 39 megabits. Oh my god. This is really helping a lot. I can only feel. Yeah, I think I reached like 2.7 kilometers. Yeah, that's good enough. Battery is 22 volts. We're heading back. I can see the other water tower close to me. Yeah. Satellite count is 15. Voltage is down to 21.9 volts. Channel 3 has been flaky. Turns red sometimes. I'm on channel 3. Okay. And then signal is back to 50.8. Yeah. I'm really happy, guys. I'm really happy. Oh, there was the voltage is like, maybe because I'm too low. Let me go higher. and then it's flaking. Yeah. Yeah, it's hard, you know, guys, when you don't have the proper OSD. Voltage is down to 21.5. When you don't have proper OSD, you cannot tell the amp that you're pulling, which is dangerous. Right now, I'm just relying on my muscle memory on how much throttle I actually push. Voltage is down to 20.9. It went up to 20. Yeah. Going up again. It should help because the wind is going towards me. Yeah, I'm now close to the other water tower, guys. I hope the GoPro is still recording. Yeah, I can see my car. Maybe that's me. I think that's really me. Voltage is 20 point. Yeah, let's go up here. Let's drive. Let's cruise through the water tower. Yeah, here. Okay. Nice. Cool. Okay. Oh, now I'm really happy with this Helix antenna, guys. I'm really happy. ELRS at 2.7 kilometers. Wow. Okay. Voltage is 20.9. It went back to 21.1. Now it's 20.6. ELRS, the lowest it went down to was 88. Yeah, I'm really happy, guys. That's my car. That's me. And then let's see how it will perform when quad is behind me. 50.8. Yeah, 50.8, guys. Battery is 21.5 volts. There you go, guys. Yeah, it's so nice. I was able to fly behind me. Whoa. Yeah, it's hard when you're wearing gloves, guys. It's so hard. You can't tell. Oops. Yeah. I've been flying 7 minutes now, guys. Yeah. Really happy. Really, really happy. I hope my cell phone is still recording. Yeah, I think we're done with the test. Let's land it, guys. Let's land it. I'm really happy. This quad really works well in a very, very, very Wi-Fi saturated place. ELRS, you rock, guys. You rock. We can see yourself. Yes! That's the Helix antenna, guys. That's it. That's it, guys. That's it. Woo! So happy with my build. Really happy with my build, guys. Really happy. Yes. Worked really well. I can even go farther, but I was afraid with the battery. Okay. It landed at 22 volts. And usually I landed back like 19.1. Okay. So yeah, I'm really happy, guys. I'm really happy.